Okay. So today we are doing artificial sea and
another MEL chemistry experiment.
Yep. And we have our tray.
Okay. We have our protective glasses on.
We don't quite have our gloves on, so we haven't opened this yet. Well, we have. I just looked at it. And
this is how it comes packed. And we have two options. Today we are going to do chemical jellyfish. And as you can see, there are a lot of reagents, a lot of components.
Yep.
So we are gonna unpack these and then we'll be right back with you guys.
And then we always have to put our gloves on.
Gloves on.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna be doing is we are going to make drops of solution turn into amazing jellyfish. We'll see how amazing they are. We need to put on protective gloves and eyewear. Gloves and eyewear.
I can't get this bag open.
And conduct the experiment on the tray. So we have our tray ready and prepared.
Mommy.
And
Mommy.
we need this.
I can't open it. So, this is what we need. Iron sulfate, copper sulfate, iron chloride, magnesium sulfate, whatever. I don't know how to say it.
Yeah, manganese sulfate.
Yeah.
Not bad.
And then 2 bottles of liquid glass.
So the first thing we're going to do, as you see here, we are going to pour the sodium silicate liquid glass solution into the petri dish. Here's our petri dish. Clean and fresh out of the box. We are just waiting for the solution. We are using our protective tray.
Oof. Okay, and then here, this is cool. I like this.
And then they give us actually a very special
Paper clip.
paperclip.
You just bend the paper clip.
And then
Put it in here.
and you gotta
and you go
basically
like this.
pop it open.
Cool.
Okay. Now we're going to pour our solution into the petri dish.
It's stuck. Thank you.
Lower. Don't want it to splatter. All right. And we actually have 2 of these, so we're going to pour another one in there. This is basically setting a foundation. This is where our solutions are going to be poured so that we can see the reaction.
Another pokey thingy.
What we are adding, they're called metal compounds or metal salts. We're adding them to the surface of the sodium silicate solution, which is the liquid glass. We're going to put 4 to 5 drops of each solution, drop by drop, from various heights. And then we're going to see what happens to it.
That hurt. Okay.
All right, so now we're going to, which one do you want to start with?
This one because it's blue.
Blue it is. And what is that one?
Copper sulfate.
Okay, so we're going to start with copper sulfate. 4 to 5 drops all over the place.
You just dropped the thing.
So 4 to 5 drops of
Copper sulfate.
copper sulfate. We're going to put them around the petri dish, trying not to put them on top of each other from various heights. So 1, we're really close. 1, okay. 2, 3, 4. And 5. Okay. Wow, that was a big one. So those are copper sulfate. Next, we're going to do which one?
Manganese sulfate.
Manganese sulfate. Okay, now try not to drop them on top of these drops. Still doing 4 to 5 drops of each solution.
Paperclip. Pokey. Oops.
It's all right.
1.
Okay.
2.
These ones are white. Going to be a little bit or clear. A little bit harder to see, probably.
3.
Go ahead and count that as 2.
4. 3. 4.
One more. Okay. And next we're going to do iron chloride.
Okay. Okay. And then still haven't opened it.
And do that one.
This is hard. Oh, no. Okay, that's better.
Okay.
Okay.
It's all right. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
So it didn't go in the petri dish. Try again. We're trying not to do them on top of each other. Trying to space them out a little bit.
Okay. There. 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Okay, as you can see,
That one
some
we
of them are
messed up.
starting to spread out a little bit. Okay, we got one more.
Yep.
Iron sulfate is next. It's already opened and ready to go.
No, it's not open.
It is open. I opened it.
I did that. The same thing happened to me. It wasn't all the way opened. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So what's going to happen now is an ion exchange reaction occurs between the sodium silicate, the liquid glass,
Yep.
and the metal salts. So as a result, insoluble metal silicates form, and these resemble jellyfish. So we're going to wait 3 minutes and we'll come back and check on our results. But as you can see, they're going to go from drops
To
to jellyfish, which you can see some of them have already kind of started to change and morph a little bit. But we'll come back and check in 3 minutes. So some more information about our chemical jellyfish. It says if we take two substances and that can split up into parts called ions, as you can see there, you can see two substances that split, and mix them in a solution, these parts might form new substances. And if even one of these new substances precipitates out or flies away as a gas, we say that the substances entered into an ion exchange. In our experiment, sodium silicate enters into an ion exchange reaction with various salts. Separately, both of these substances exist in the form of the following ions in a solution. But if we mix the solution, the copper ions and the silicate ions form insoluble copper silicates. Due to the viscosity of the liquid glass, these take the form of chemical jellyfish. So,
It's been 3 minutes.
yeah,
It's close
we've
enough.
decided that
This one's not cool. I don't like this
it's
one.
not as exciting as the other couple that we've done so far. It definitely was on a lower difficulty lower difficulty level. And, yeah. They kind of look like jellyfish. And
No, they're not that cool. Like this one's upside down. Also, by the way, like and subscribe down below.
mm-hmm.
Oh,